Finally, I'm gonna get to ride in some dirt. Let's have fun. You know, we don't have gravel roads in the Philippines like they would in North America or in Europe. What I could find closest to the city is this access road for a cement company from their quarry out to the main road. But it's not bad for a quick fix. Big trucks. It's my first time to come down Puting Bato with my new tire pressure. I used to run 35 and 40 at the back. Lately, I've been running it at 30 in front and 35 in the back. I run 650 by 40 mil tires, and what a world of difference. So much better now that it's softer. 5 psi, and that's a lot. Awesome. Access road, lots of trucks, but awesome scenery too. You gotta love the peace and quiet out here. So because it's an access road by the cement company, it's really in their interest to keep grading it all over again. So it ends up nice and neat like this. Good deal, eh? At least for us gravel cyclists. We're done with the off-road bits, the fun part, and unfortunately, this is the necessary part. Riding the road to get back home. Hey Sunny.
Where did you come from?
Ha!
Why are you also muddy? Wow.
I went to my happy place. I went to Puting Bato.
Ah! Uy, wow!
Poco Deli first opened in 2008 as a neighborhood deli. It has now grown to an award-winning restaurant with 3 branches, 2 sister cafes, that is serving over 40 variations of European sausages, homemade charcuterie, baked goods, and the best comfort food.
Hey Alex!
Ronald,
How are you?
we went to Palo Alto lang.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh!
Yes, I came from Puting Bato.
Ah, you posted somewhere.
Yes, I started a YouTube channel.
Which one?
John Bikes.
I look for you.
Yeah, I just started it last week, so.
Gravel Pilipinas. It's his bike in Puting Bato, that's the cover.
Well, she was a lot cleaner.
Her name is Greta.
That's Greta. Greta the Grail.
Alright, so this one is on the house.
Oh, what? But so you serve it in that glass? Is that the
If
proper
you
thing or a
dine
beer?
in here,
Or it's-
typically it's in a white wine glass.
Ah,
And,
okay.
Mostly since the island people like it with ice,
Okay.
so we put some ice. And, it's made of wild Palawan ginger and wild Palawan honey. Yeah,
So it's a Swedish drink.
yes, it's like kombucha but with very gingery flavors.
Okay, I see.
Try it first.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. From Coron, Palawan. Strong, too light. You want to put some more?
I hope you enjoyed the ride. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe.